Hey, what's up guys, Thomas Butcher here. Today, in today's video, I am going to taste the Tingly Teds. Tingly Teds makes your tongue tingle. I'm going to try the Tingly Teds, the tingly sauce and the extra tingly sauce in today's video with chicken nuggets, you know guys, yes. And yeah, let's get straight on with the video, let's go. So first, I'm going to try the tingly sauce first. The taste test of the tingly sauce with the Tingly Teds. Oh, yeah. Of course, the thing is on. Alright, hopefully I don't get it everywhere. Alright, let's go. Here we go. Let's have a smell of it. The tingly sauce. Okay, the smell's not bad. Let's first smell the Tingly Teds. Okay, right. It says, keep it chill, shake to wake Ted. Alright, here we go. Shake it a bit. Now we're gonna. Okay, that smells like barbecue, like. First, but let's go. Right, I've got four of each nugget. Oh, getting everywhere. Okay, hopefully that won't be too much. Alright, here we go, guys. Look, the chicken nugget has got tingly sauce on it. Let's go. Not bad. It's not bad. Oh, you can get the you can taste the tingly in it, like. Not bad. Oh, it's not bad, guys. Not bad. Just a tingly sauce. You can feel the tingle in it. It's nice. It's nice. I can taste the tongue tingle a little bit. Boy, I like it. It's not bad. Look, it's not bad. I like a bit of spice and stuff. For example, I like my spicy sausages, and this literally gets the chicken nuggets with a bit more spice, like the spicy sausages that I have sometimes. I should have done that. Right, water. We're gonna get on the big boys, the extra tingly sauce. If that wasn't tingly enough, this would be more tingly, guys. Right, water. I like this one, I recommend this one. But let's try the other one now. The other one will taste a bit more, I bet, yeah. Get down, let's get that down. Get that down. So, the extra tingly sauce. Like usual, the other one, I'm gonna take this. You can tell I haven't opened it yet. An extra tingly sauce. Okay, you can smell a bit more tingle in there. Tingly Teds. Get it from Asda's. That's where I got mine from. So the extra tingly sauce right here. I think I might need a bit more of a drink and then I'll taste the extra tingly sauce. So yeah, guys, the extra tingly sauce. This is gonna be a bit more. This is gonna be hotter than the tingly sauce, guys. Yes, right. Here we go. Oh, need to shake it first. It says, shake to wake Ted. Shake to wake Ted up. Yes, guys. Oh, I'm not ready for this one, guys. I'm not ready for this one. I'm not ready for this one, guys. Right, so. Okay. Alright, let's do it, boys. Ooh, okay. Might have put a bit too much on, but oh well. The extra tingly sauce. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this one. Okay. I'm just waiting for it to kick in. Because it's extra tingly. Okay. I might have. You can taste a bit of tingle, but yeah. What's up? Oh, there we go. You know, it's actually really good. It's really nice. I do like a bit of spice, and with the Tingly Teds, it isn't spicy. It is just a bit of spice, and that's all you need, I think, in spicy stuff. I can definitely tell the extra tingly sauce now. But it is nice. Oh yeah. But you know, I'm not getting red. So yeah, that is actually really nice, Tingly Teds. I thought the extra tingly sauce would be a hell of a lot more spicier, but it's just I'd say a little bit more spicy than the tingly sauce. But it is like that's what I like about spice. I don't like things too spicy, but I like a bit of spice, and the Tingly Teds is definitely that. Like, I recommend it if you like spice but not too much spice. Tingly Teds, I highly recommend it. If you want to make your foods a hell of a lot spicier, I do recommend Tingly Teds. And like Ed said this in this little video right here.
I have it on breakfast, I have it on lunch, I have it on dinner, I have it on after show food, I have it on snacks. You can have it with anything, literally anything, except maybe not bananas. Don't do bananas.
Ed said you can put it on pretty much everything but a banana. Come on, a little bit. Come on, I'm having a bit of a laugh here. I'm going to put some on a banana. Let's see what it tastes like with a banana. I've never done anything this disgusting, guys. But yeah, here we go. Guys can laugh. Look, mank. It's going to look gross. Or maybe if we just dip it in. Well, I don't know. Alright, here we go. That's what I'm going to do it. Right, we're going to try it with the tingly sauce first. We'll just put some on there. Oh, my hair's actually... Right, let's just peel the skin off. With the banana, Brett. With the banana. Oh, that's monkey. Hey, it's actually not bad. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. Right. No, not the entire thing. Just... Okay. Alright. No. Banana. Okay. It's not bad. You can literally have it on anything. It proves it. Proves it right here in this video. Let's get some extra. I think I might have put a bit too much on, but oh well. Extra tingly sauce. I get a bit of drink. Because it is getting a bit spicy now. Alright, the extra tingly sauce with a banana. Alright. I'm not going to swear this, but oh well. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, just put in your normal food, guys. Like, I'd say, yeah. Ed's recommends not putting it on a banana. And here I am putting it with a banana. Putting it on a banana, but yeah. But to be honest, I do like Tingly Teds. Well, yeah, you know, I just joking a little bit. I'm just gonna eat the banana without it now. Mmm. Mmm. I haven't done many food reviews on this channel. I think that's my first ever food spice review on this channel, guys. Yeah, have a little bit of a drink. Well, yeah, that banana was just a joke, and Ed said he doesn't recommend using banana. But yeah, you can put it on most foods, like Ed said. I do like it. You can feel the spice. My mouth feels tingly, and yeah, mixed by Ed and Ted, available in Asda right now or any other supermarket. I do enjoy it. I thought the extra tingly sauce would be a hell of a lot more spicy. But yeah, it is like a spicier ketchup. I think that what Ed was trying to do, like it is a spicier ketchup. You can put it on anything. It just gets that bit of spice up a bit. If you guys like a bit of spice, but not too much spice, I do recommend Tingly Ted's because but yeah, I jokingly did it with a banana. Why not? But yeah, Tingly Ted's is really nice. I do recommend it. And yeah. Yeah, that is it, this video pretty much. Tingly Ted's, love it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. And I know Ed played Boat in Paris last night, but I got Tingly Ted's today. I'll talk about more of Boat on the Road Subtracks at the weekend, and yeah, and also the Boat snippet on the Subtrack Sundays and all that, which I love so much, and yeah. But this video was a fun video of me reviewing Tingly Ted's taste test. And yeah, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Tingly Ted's makes your tongue tingle. It sure does.